Is it possible to do appointment setting and closing part-time? Let's talk about it.
Welcome to Remote Closing Rapid Fire.
Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Welcome back to another episode of Remote Closing Rapid Fire, where we answer your frequently asked remote closing and appointment setting questions. And let's talk about it. Can you do appointment setting and closing? Can you do these things part-time? Now, the short answer is yes, you can definitely do this part-time. Just a story that comes to mind is a school teacher that actually came through the program and was only able to work nights. So we got off of what he was doing at school about 5 to 6 p.m. He would go home and he would take calls from like 8 to I think like 10 or 11. So like a 3 or 4 hour work day, we'll say. And he was actually able to do over $10,000 a month by doing it part-time. Now, I don't want to set the expectation that's possible for everyone, but he was just a really great communicator. I mean, he had to deal with kids all day, so he was good at that. And he was just in this really good offer where he was getting high commissions off of every one of those sales. Now, that story aside, I want to be very, very clear here. Remote closing and appointment setting, because you are working with an already established business, think of it as any other job that you've had in the past. In order to work with and get placed on some of the high, top tier teams out there, they are going to want to expect you to be with them full time because, if you're good and they're pouring their time into you, they want to make sure that you are pouring the time back into the company. And as a byproduct, obviously, you're going to make more money. You got to remember, you are a commission salesperson. So let's say you didn't take calls for an entire week. You're not getting paid for that week. Now, a really cool part about it is that a lot of these teams, a lot of these companies are very, very flexible, being that you're remote. So let's say, for example, you wanted to, 1 week spend it in San Diego and another week you wanted to be in a different country. As long as you have internet connection and a laptop and your phone, right? In cases if you're an appointment setter, you can literally work wherever you want. Now, again, back to the part about it being like a regular job, is there are expectations, there are standards that you have to uphold. So for example, let's say you do go out of town for a week and these companies are feeding you leads and you're taking these appointments, they're not closing because you're distracted or whatever. That's where it starts to get a little bit fishy. So keep in mind, again, these companies are paying money to give you appointments. So if you're not taking those appointments and you're not taking them seriously and you're not closing them and they're not making money at the end of the day, then either number one, they're going to, have a conversation with you and saying, hey, our expectations are here, you're down here, you're not hitting the KPIs, the key performance indicators, what can we do to resolve this? Now, don't take that as a negative thing, but I'm just trying to help you and set the right expectations so you're not thrown off guard when they start to hold you to set expectations. So all the way back to the question in the title of this video, can you do remote closing and appointment setting part-time? 100% yes. You just got to know what you're getting yourself into. So that's going to do it for this episode, guys. Go ahead and click the video on screen to bring you to the next video here in the Remote Closing Rapid Fire series.